Hi, good morning. This is your chef Prakkash. Good morning, all. Today, I am going to give the recipe for immunity boosting bar. This is very healthy ingredient we are going to use to make this immunity bar, and it is very good for growing children's. And you can use this recipe and you can make it in your home, and you can take it at morning or evening snacks, because in this recipe we have the oats. So even you can take this immunity bar as your breakfast also, and if you want to take it as evening snacks, you can go ahead. Now I am going to say the recipe for immunity boosting bar. The ingredient is peanut butter 85 gram, honey 2 teaspoon, vanilla 5 ml, flax seed 42 gram, roasted oats 85 gram, chocolate chips 90 gram, and grated coconut 85 gram. First you take the oats and put it in tawa. Put little coconut oil, just make it roasted and keep it separate. After, take a one big mixing bowl, put the peanut butter, put the honey and vanilla, first mix together. After that, take the remaining ingredients, roasted oats, flax seeds, chocolate chips and grated coconuts. These another 4 ingredients also mixed together. Keep it separate. After that, take one small baking tray, put your butter paper. After that, you arrange this one in that tray. Make it nicely in the correct shape and keep it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. If you want to keep it in the freezer, you can keep it in